Hello friends, hope you're fine. Now I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 1, page number 33, and today's topic is verbs past time. Here is written to make a verb show past time, we add ed. Now today I play. If we want to tell it in past time, that time we have to tell yesterday I played. Same thing here, today I work, and here in past, last week I worked. Here one rule is written, see, but if the verb ends with e, we just add d. See, in this place, the verb move has finished with e, that's why here only d is added. So after reading this rule, we will do some exercises, then the topic will be clearer for you. Let's start. Here, see a number exercise, it's written, make each of these verbs show past time by adding d. So easy, just you will add d here. Means after the word you will add d. Let's start. In this place, one number sneeze, we will just add d after it. Same thing like, we will add d here, liked. Wipe, we will just add d. Fire, add just a d. Hope, hoped. Wave, waved. Use, used. Dive, dived. Save, saved. Joke, joked. Bake, baked. And move, we have done already, and we will add here d. Now it's the turn to do B number exercise. Let's start. What is written here? See, make the word to fill each space by adding D or ED to the word in bold type. Here, see, one number. Sanjoy dash loudly cough. Here, spelling cough is wrong. It will be COUGH, cough. Okay. So what we will add after this? We will add after this ed because this word is not finished with e. So let's write here COUGHED, coughed. Next two number. They dash last Monday arrive. Here e is at last, so we will add just d. Arrived. Now three number, the crowd dash the queen. Here cheer, we will add what? We will add ed because it's not finished with e. So let's start it. CHEERED, cheered. Phone number, Helen dash sausages for us. Here it's written cook, we will add what? We will add ed after it. Next, five number, we dash for you. Here wait, we will add ed. Why? There is no e after it, so waited. Next, six number, Sam dash to school. Here cycle, the word is finished with e. We have to add what? We have to add only d. Let's add cycled. Dad dash his present. Love, here the word is finished with e. We'll add only d. Dad loved his present. D number, everyone dash very happy. Here it's written look, we will add ed. So do it here, looked. 9 number, Camilla dash her teeth. Here clean, we will add ed because it's not also finished with e. So let's write it here, cleaned. 10 number, Sue dash very carefully watch. Here watch, after watch there is no e, so we have to add ed. So watched very carefully. So friends, today we have finished page number 33 from Junior English book, and today's topic is verbs past time. It's so much important topic. You will meet with it every time. So practice it at your home. Next, we will do page number 34. There, the topic is adding ed to verbs. Bye for today.